Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I just want to show you some nice protection I bought for my C8 Corvette. I basically bought these inserts for the radiator. So you basically take off the lower part of the bumper and slide it underneath, and you can hold this together with tie wraps. I don't know if you can see the tie wrap I put on there, but there's a tie wrap right here to keep it in place. And this protects the radiator from getting beat up by stones, especially when you're traveling on the highway. I bought the other one too, to protect it from this angle. Most people don't go this far to put this radiator shield on here, but sometimes you not only get hit this way, but it also hits from this angle inside here. So I have it in the front there, and then on this side as well, has the protection right there. And this is the other side. If you want to check out this awesome product, I'll leave a link down in the description below for you so you can find the best deal for your C8 Corvette. And I also installed on the front door intakes, there is a intake grill protector on here. This is the passenger side. If I can angle it so you can see in there. There we go, I don't know if you can see that. So this protects the intake. Just want to show you that real quick. If you have any questions, just leave a comment in the comment section below, but please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.